Hey beautiful ladies and girls, how are you? I hope you're fine with good health and very happiness. Welcome back to my channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Beautiful ladies and girls, today I'll show you at more incredibly low maintenance short hairstyle. If you want haircut that looks stunning right out of bed without using flat iron or curling wands, you are in the right place. Let's look at some fresh, easy styles for this year. First of all is the tapered pixie. Look at how neatly the hair is faded at the back. It keeps your neck cool and free. The top is left just long enough to brush forward or to the side. For this look, you literally just wash your hair, add a teeny bit of leave-in conditioner and let it air dry. It looks sharp and chic with zero styling time. Next is the A-line lob, which is slightly longer bob. Notice how it shapes gently forward. This built-in angle gives the haircut a natural shape all on its own. You don't need to round brush it or style is daily because the cut does all the work for you. It's perfect for wavy or straight hair. If you want something with a bit of edgy, try the shaved side pixie. By shaving one side, you cut your style time exactly in half. You only have to worry about styling the longer side of your hair, which takes less than 2 minutes. It's a bold look that is incredibly easy to manage. So beautiful ladies and girls, which of these low maintenance style was your favorite? The neat tapered pixie or edgy shaved side? Let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my video your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. I need very much because your feedback, it's very important for growing channel. So I hope you do this. So beautiful ladies and girls, I'll see you in the next one with new style, new haircut and new hair dye. Take care and bye bye.